Alright guys, we're gonna go ride though. Super good weather out. I had to take advantage of it. It's like 50 today. It's supposed to be snowing and stuff. So of course we got to bring out the S1000RR. I'm gonna take it super easy today though. I mean, this bike's still super new to me, and obviously the roads are a little bit cold and stuff. I just want to get out on the bike, man. I've been man, I gotta chill out with life, man. I gotta stop taking life so seriously lately. It's no, but man, I gotta chill. I just stressing about the small stuff, man, and life is just way too short to be stressing about small things. I got my camera and gimbal with me, so I'm gonna go try to find just some spot I can film a little bit, kind of just me, the bike, and the camera, and just chill. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful day. I can't complain. Almost stalled it. But yeah, man, I gotta chill out, dude. It's so easy to get caught up stressing about small things and like just super irrelevant stuff that doesn't impact your life at all, but somehow it just takes complete control of like your everyday. I don't know, it sounds kind of sappy and a little cringe, but you know, someone's out there right now fighting for their life, and I'm over here stressing about small materialistic stuff that just doesn't impact my life whatsoever. It's a learning process, but once you get in that mindset, dude, it's worth it. Life's too short, man. Like I said, I got my camera in the bag. I usually don't get out and film like alone like this. I don't know, but today just felt right. Like I woke up, I went to the gym, having a good day. I just want to get out, me, the bike, the camera. I want to go film. I do have the gimbal with me, so I might take some video and stuff. Hello, brother. I don't really have any clue like where I'm going. Got a few hours of the sun left, so eco boost. I just got the urge to like make some content, and I got to take advantage of those feelings because they don't come very often. So I am usually quite lazy. That is a clean ass Beamer, dude. That's so sick. Oh wait, I'm not a Beamer. I forgot. It's so natural for me just to think like I'm sitting on a Yamaha, and then I look down, I'm like, wait, this is a BMW. Like, okay, where am I going? That looks kind of cool. I usually try to have like a huge plan when I go out to ride and film. Like, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna film this and this. Today's different though, dude. I'm cruising. I have no idea where I'm going. Well, I'm officially lost. Oh, yo! Oh, we're doing it. Are we doing it? We're doing it. I see a bridge, and I want to go on it. I don't want to get in trouble, but I really want to go on it. Does this go to it? Yo! I had no idea this was here. This is so sick. I get so amused from the smallest thing, guys. It's insane. Yo, this is so sick. What? I'm so hyped right now. Oh yeah, we're filming here for sure, dude. Oh, almost fell. Where can we post stuff where this thing's like solid? You like that? We good? A little bit of wind. I'm a little scared. Make sure it's in gear. Alright. We're gonna put a little more angle on you because I don't trust that. It's cool, the people that like have the mindset that just throw their bike up against the wall and they just trust it, but I am so OCD. I gotta make sure like it's in first gear and it's up against the gear so it can't roll. This thing is not falling on my watch, dude. Oh, this looks so sick. Is anybody gonna care? Yo, what? Hold up. Yes, sir. Alright, let's do this. But you guys are gonna hear my loud breathing a little bit. I'm sorry. Alright, I got so much. Oh, my bag was open. Alright, let's get this thing over. Are you good? That wind's blowing. It's my super ghetto camera bag set up for the gimbal. And then we got the camera. Oh yeah, buddy. And then you on there. Actually, I gotta move this. Let's get some photos first, and then we'll switch to gimbal. I need to do this more, man. Like, this is so fun. Just like, I don't know, man. Just having the ability to come out here like this and do something I love, like multiple things I love, the YouTube, the photography stuff, writing, like I can do them all at once, and it's insane that you can make a living off this, man. It really is. Have a good one, man. Thanks. I'm a little bit rusty, bud. I left my helmet on the whole time for that, and dude, my neck is hurting. Yeah, let's skedaddle. Damn, I love this bike, dude. It's just crazy, like, to sit on this thing and stare at it and be like, this is like my bike, like I own this bike. It's so wild, man. I love this thing. Definitely got to get rid of the headers soon, though. The slip-on sounds okay, but she needs to be barking, you know what I mean? Alright. Now I'm like, do I go find another spot, or like, does it get much better than that? I was kind of expecting to like have to hop around spots, but that was a banger first hit, dude. If I do find another spot, I'm just doing photos. I ain't yanking out the gimbal again. That was too much. Do not enter. Why? Alright, chill, cut. I won't enter then. I'm easily amused, man. Like, stuff like that, just seeing a cool bridge to take pictures on, I'm so easily amused. It's insane. I could have spent like all day there, but my back was hurting. It's like cold, but it's like warm enough to where my body can't decide if it's cold or not. Like, it's not too bad. I could literally ride this bike like all day. It is that comfortable. The R1, after an hour, I get just a little bit over it. But I could ride this thing all day, dude. It's so comfy. No matter how long you ride for, stoplights will never not be awkward. Like, I feel like everyone is just staring at me. I just feel so vulnerable, you know? Yeah, we need headers ASAP on this thing. That's like, it's fun, but it's a whole different experience. We can actually like hear the bike. Dude, I'm vibing so hard right now. Like, I want to entertain the camera and stuff, but I'm just vibing, dude. That feels so good. It's so warm out here. I'm on a freaking S1K, dude. Life's good. No matter what little things you got going on, life's good, man. I just want to take this on the grass so bad. It's a weird, like, itch that I need to scratch, and I really just want to take this on some grass. Like, would they really care? I mean, I'm so conflicted. I don't want to be like that guy, but I want to put it on some grass. I just feel bad. Like, it'd be cool, but not on like a baseball field where the grass like actually matters, you know. I don't know, man. That car's eyeballing me. It's all good. We'll get it another time. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.